Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the cells that contain numbers plus the text, kg. Once selected, make a quick backup copy to another sheet or paste values into a blank column so you can undo easily. Now, with the range highlighted, press Ctrl+H to open, find, and replace. This saves time compared with formulas. Make sure the sheet is not filtered or protected, and confirm that some cells may have no space before kg, so you'll handle that in the next step. You now perform the core removal using find and replace. First, type space followed by kg into find and leave replace blank. Click replace all to remove the common pattern. Once done, immediately run a second replace where find is just kg with replace blank to remove any that had no space. Make sure to inspect a few sample cells. Numbers should remain as text or numbers depending on formatting. If numbers turned into text, we'll fix that next, so don't panic. You finish by converting any leftover text values into usable numbers. For a quick conversion, enter equals A2 asterisk 1 or equals value A2 and fill down, then copy-paste values over the original column. Once done, format cells as number if needed. If things go wrong, check for hidden spaces or non-printing characters. Use trim and clean, then repeat replacement. Finally, verify sums or averages to confirm proper conversion. If a few cells still fail, inspect them manually for stray characters before reapplying the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.